I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on your N26 account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your personal information settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select personal information. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled personal information and tap on it. This section contains all the details you can update. Step 4. Update your information. Now you can edit the specific fields you want to change, such as your address or phone number. Make sure to double check your entries for accuracy before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you change your address, it might take a few minutes for the update to reflect in your account. I hope this helps you keep your N26 account up to date.